You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Spider, species or species names, name pronunciation from Latin scientific name Grammostola, Grammostola. And then the second word, the name of the actual species, can be pronounced two different ways. Pulchripes, I think that's more the American pronunciation. Let me know in the comments. Or pulchripes. Grammostola pulchripes or Grammostola pulchripes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.